Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on cPanel. This is very easy method. So if you're new viewers, don't worry, keep watch. Let's go. At first, I'm going to my cPanel. Then you need to charge software. This is a software section. You can find it. Now find WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Just click here. Then you can see this is a section you can install WordPress management. Just click here, install. Just one click, install. Then this is overview. Here is the 4 type of sample. I recommend you HTTPS this method. Then delete this method. Then you can confirm the last version of WordPress. So I choose this one. Then select your website name. I select this name, then my WordPress blog, and this is pretty good. Then choose your admin. Now this is username, admin, then password. I want to set a password. Then admin, this is email address. Now choose English language. Then if you want to click backup, your website or everything are restored in your cPanel. So I choose this option, improve page display. I click all version. Then just click install. Just one click install. Then you need to 3 or 4 minutes for processing whole website. So I'm waiting. Wow, my website are already ready. Now I want to click this option here, the right button. Then you can see my WordPress website are already view. Wow, this is really good, and I'm very happy for this option. So when you install WordPress, you can see this option. So if you are on to more video, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care.